So why, pray tell, am I standing in front of you with no makeup on looking like I'm ready to go to bed? It's because I'm ready to go to bed. So I wanted to show you what I kept from my fix, my last fix, number 4, and pretty much everything in there, well, it stunk. The stylist picked clothes that fit me, but nothing that I asked for, and I didn't feel like it was very appropriate for this time of year. I did, however, ask for a couple of extras. This top by Tommy John, this Henley, was one of them. It is a $62 Henley, but I did like it, and I did need another sleep top. So what had happened was someone used my referral link at the time when you could get $50 for using it instead of the normal $25. I think it's probably right after I've placed an order. So she used it and she got the $50 credit, and then they gave me one. So when I went to order that fix, they didn't charge me a styling fee. It came out of the $50, which I really appreciated, because if I didn't like anything out of it, I wasn't out of any money. It did reduce my credit, but I wasn't out of any money. So, of course, with this fix, the only thing I really wanted to keep in it was this, and I felt like this was quite high, but I decided just to go in and see what the cost would be, and because I knew that they would credit me back $30. I still honestly felt like $32 for a top I was just going to sleep in was too much, but I wanted to see if they credited another styling fee back. I wasn't sure how that would go. I just wanted to see what it really wound up being. So I went in there, and sure enough, they credited me a $20 styling fee back, even though I hadn't paid one in the first place, and an additional $30. So with tax, I paid $16 and I think 42 cents with this. It was 16 and change. To me, that's pretty darn reasonable for a sleep shirt, and it's a Tommy John, and I also could wear it as a regular shirt if I wanted to. I love Henleys. So I'm wearing them with the only thing I kept from the only Nadine West unboxing I've done, and that's these joggers. And the only place I will wear those is to bed, because they're too tight, but they do make good pajama pants. So that's what I kept from my fix. I'll also say that I emailed the company and said, hey, that sucked. And said, please give me a new stylist. So they came back and said, we'll give you a new stylist and we'll comp you the styling fee on the next box. So I thought that was really cool. So at least I got that. So anyway, they did their best, I think, to make it right. I have a new sleep shirt. Hopefully the next fix will be better. I'm not going to hesitate to do a new fix because I don't have to pay a styling fee. So anyway, I'll go ahead. I'll leave my credit or my referral link down below in case you want to try StitchFix, although I'm thinking probably after this experience, nobody will. But if you do, if you want to give it a shot, the $25 credit will, I think it might also cover your styling fee. In addition to giving you $25, I think it may also cover your styling fee, because I think that I get what you guys get when you use my referral link. So it may, but at least you know you won't be out any money. You'll have a $5 credit if there is something you want to keep. That's your worst case scenario. All right. With that, I'm going to go to bed. I hope that made sense. It's really late. So if that didn't make sense, ask me questions down below, and I'll answer them much clearer probably than I did right here. But I kept this top that I picked myself, and we're going to hope the next fix goes better. Okay. And with that, I will let you go. Good night, and thank you so much for watching. Oh, if you would be so kind, like this video. If you have anything to say, make a comment down below. And if you think this is of any value whatsoever, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Okay, now I'm going to let you go. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.